the after party launching of our product, the G5 soap. Here we have our product, G5 soap. So, to promote more on the product, let's go to our Teenage Fatimanian product user of this soap. Let's go to Liver. How do you find our G5? Sobrang ba? And mabango. Good skin. Sukuha nga. Kasi, oh my gosh. Nanote siya ng crush na. Yun. So, we can recommend to your mother sa ng teenage girl. Yes, I can recommend it. Try it. So, that very good. The packaging is always okay siya. Okay naman siya. So, I'm your Fatimanian host, Katina.